So we think that absent the record snowfall in the Northeast, the data would have looked a lot better this month, and we'd all be celebrating rather than worrying about this flat pulse.
Yeah, some people point at, like this month, the weather impacts, likely impacts the results within a particular month, but over a long period of time, the trends are really more stable. You'll see these blips, but that's one of the reasons we use a 3-month moving average, number one, to report the index. But it's also important to note that we do see these blips. We're able to report them and anticipate their impact on the economy literally first.